Welcome to this quick guide for the Proper Menubar browser extension. Today, I will show you how to easily change the position of your menu bar. Want your menu bar at the top or bottom of your browser? No problem. Proper Menubar gives you the flexibility to position it just the way you like. First, click the Proper Menubar icon in your browser's toolbar to open the pop-up panel. Next, click the Options button to navigate to the Proper Menubar Options page. On the Options page, you will be on the Basic tab by default. Now, scroll down until you find the topic called Position of the Bar. Here, you can choose between two options, top or bottom. Select for example now here for bottom. Once selected, the menu bar will instantly move to your preferred position. It is that simple. We hope this feature makes browsing even more convenient for you. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. See you next time.